Well, the shame of the matter is that we have been telling the government the donkeys are back, okay, and something has to be done. They need to keep the water in the Monday. We tried to get them to fix the well since November 2013. First meeting we had with Frank Van Sloba, fix the wells in the Monday. All right? And again, he said, and Raimondo Soleil, myself, Titi Cecilia, there was people there, so it's not just my word. He said, I don't want to fix them because I don't want the animals to overpopulate. Okay. Again, my problem is if those wells and those basins or buckies were put there by the foresters of the past, who is somebody that just comes to the island to say that they shouldn't be there? All right. The other thing is that we have been trying to get. I myself have fixed some of the buckies, and we're putting water there every 3 days, but I can't get to them all. All right. Right now, like I mentioned in the last meeting we had, that they fixed one of them. They're supposed to fix more. The last meeting I had with Renola and Stasi, I mentioned that they should fix the buckies first. Get them fixed. We'll put water in it, and then the donkeys will stay off the roads and out of town. The proof that they'll stay off the roads and out of town is the fact that these donkeys have been gone. They've been gone since the rain and the waters in the Monday. All right, so it's a proven thing that it'll happen. Now, I hear just now from you that some of the donkeys have been getting hit by cars, and that's a crying shame. It really is a shame because it's not necessary and it shouldn't happen. All right, the Bonaire Donkey Protection League Facebook site, we mentioned that the donkeys are back, that the buckies haven't been fixed, so slow down, drive carefully, and pay attention, you know. In places around the world, people have signs on their car. I brake for animals. I go slow when I see a boy or an animal on the road. So there's a double problem here. One, we need to get the water in the Monday. Two, the people need to slow down. All right, we have street safety put in the plan that we gave the government. The plan that we gave the government years ago right, was a donkey salvation plan, which was good for the animals and the people because the road to Rincon is one of the most dangerous in the world. All right? And we gave them solutions. The only answer I got back from Drope was, sorry, we only think 20 or 30 signs would be enough to fix the problem. Well, that is a complete joke. All right? They need to get on that road. They need to start slowing the traffic down because it's not just the donkeys. Now they're talking about some dead donkeys, but what about the people that died on that road? I mean, there's no excuse for somebody not to act today to start controlling the traffic on that one road.